How to comment photo in TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to comment a photo in TikTok. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just scroll to the video that you want to comment to. And now here, once you're inside the video, what you can do is just tap on the comment icon shown in the right side of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the comment section, what you can do is you can just tap on the gallery icon which can be seen at the text box. Now here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the gallery section. Now here you can simply choose the photo that you want to come into, and here once you're done choosing it, you can just tap on send. And once you do that, the photo will be commented on the TikTok post. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.